If you ever feel like YouTube hates your channel, listen up. I'm gonna explain exactly how to make YouTube fall in love with your channel. Anyway, this is an intro. A lot of people's intros suck and they are boring. I'm sitting on some TNT right now, and I'm pretty sure a part of your brain wants this thing to go off and for me to die. Don't you sick man? Alright, don't worry, cause at the end you'll get a nice big explosion like, dude, I promise I will die by the end of this video. But until then, let me teach you some stuff. You see, what I'm doing right now is a storytelling principle called Chekhov's gun, which just means that if you introduce a gun in your story, the audience expects it to fire at some point, and it better fire. Now, it doesn't always have to be a gun. The main idea is that if you give your audience an itch, you better scratch it. Let me give you an example from Jason Bourne, the movie about a special agent who wakes up with no memories of himself or his past. The intro of the movie does a perfect job of putting questions into our head. Who is Jason Bourne? Why are FBI agents trying to kill him? And will he make it out alive? Because we want answers to our questions, we are compelled to watch the movie till the end to find out. That's what makes movies so fun to watch. Oh, Mr. Flinch, I don't have a whole production studio and I'm not a special FBI agent. How can I use this in my YouTube videos? Great question. Let's look at this concept in YouTube videos. Here's the perfect example of it. It's even in the title. I spent hours grinding Madagascar cards to unlock Bob. So here's how this video works. There's this game called Madagascar Cards, and guess what Bob from Monsters and Aliens is in the video game, and the YouTuber winner needs to go through some trials to unlock an achievement to get Bob in the video game. And while you watch, you realize that it's harder than you think it is.
What is happening? That is such horse.
Oh no! Will he unlock Bob? Bob? We don't know. So you are taking on this epic adventure while you watch the video. This is absolute Kino, my friend, because this video has almost 1 million views. Now, check out this short form video by Julie Smith. Oh my god, she's got a matchstick in her hand. Are you not curious if it is gonna burn her hand? I know this sounds too stupid or simple, but the matchstick was a big factor in this video getting over 2 million views, because people are just curious if she will burn her hand. Or check this one out, where, well, she's gonna hatch it on a plate and she smashes it. Even though we kind of get a quick payoff, it still is satisfying. Only in a way that throwing a big rock in the water is satisfying. So, my dear viewer, if you want YouTube to truly fall in love with your videos, focus on satisfying your audience, giving them good love, make them feel good for the fact that they are watching your videos. A good way of doing this will be getting them curious in the start, answering their questions and having a big payoff at the end. Oh, and the rope is almost burned. Ha! You thought I would die? I will never die. You stupid. Oh no. Well, it could have been. What?